How's it going, Ray followers? Monkey Ray 4 here, and guess what? I am hanging. I am hanging my clock. Yeah. Yes. My. Well, the one is replaced. The one is replaced. I can't find it anywhere, but at least I made one. And focus. It has Westminster and Woodington. Even I just put Woodington, and I moved my garbage can right there, and I moved the CDs box. So yeah, but it really looks wonderful. It looks wonderful, and even this clock is called Howard Miller. Well, I like Howard Millers. That's a Howard Miller wall clock. Even that means like this. So, yeah. And this too. And then even I can open this. I put the time right. Yeah. You guys can meet. I hope you guys can see that. Look at that. Can you meet? Whatever. The little hand is, you can barely see it moved. The little hand can really barely see it moved. Whoa! Freak. Even. Yeah! It's finally up. Finally got hanged up. Yeah. What? Whatever. Leaving it's great. It's great. And those two doors, all except the middle one, you can put those things inside there. Bless me. Inside there. You can put anything inside there on two doors instead of the middle. It looks great. Okay, Reef followers. I'm just about to sneeze again. Bless me. Alright, guys. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel and check out on my playlist over there. Just don't forget and give me comments how the video looks like. I mean, how do you like that video? Just give me comments and don't forget to subscribe on my channel. I just got 3 subscribers. And don't forget to keep streaming.